Here is a Liftemaster professional Chamerlain garage door opener. As you can see here, it's got half horsepower. That's the front view. And here is the wall panel control. You can see it's the lock button. If you press it, you can't open it from outside. It's the light. Turns on that light over there. And let's give it an open. It's a little loud, but it's still runs good. The emergency release. Yeah, it still runs good for its age. As you can see here, it says Liftemaster. Give it a thumbs up. And let's close it. This is an awesome opener. I must say, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Thanks for watching. Click down below to subscribe. Take care. We'll see you next time.